I got a box. Let's see what's inside. I bet I know what it is. This is the Only Games Crate of the Month. Only Games is a company based out of London and owned by One Page Rules. What they do is they're a shop where you can upload and sell 3D printed miniatures. What they do is they perform the fulfillment aspect, where they'll print the models that are hosted by One Page Rules on their website. One thing that I like about this box, specifically this box, which I haven't seen in my previous month's deliveries, is that they've started adding a card letting you know what the artist this month's miniatures. Maybe I should start writing a script. One thing that Only Games started doing that I really like is they started including a card letting you know the miniature designer who designed the minis in the box. This is something that I said in a previous video needs to be done for the models featured in Only Games monthly boxes, because that way we know that they can be supported and who they are and how they can be supported. I guess if you want to support the miniature artists, if you use this code here on the card, they'll get a kickback from any order you make on Only Games purchases. Another new addition to the box is this card here, where you can get a 15% off coupon by displaying your work. I think that's a fantastic idea for a miniature company, because that way that encourages painters and artists to display their works as a type of social proof. For example, recently I painted a little mushroom gnome for my mother that I got from an Only Games company, that I got from an Only Games box. And it was a delight for her, and a lot of people asked me where I got the model, and I was excited to point them towards Only Games. Like I said, these two cards are a new addition to the box, a well-needed one, I say, gives some miniature artists some much-needed recognition. Let's open this package over here. We have 3 28mm bases for the models inside. So that means we should go ahead and open this puppy up. Perfect, 3 models. Let's take a look. And all 3 of these models were designed by the artist Warp Miniatures. So let's take a look at this first one. Oh, bother. Oh, it's a small little fella. Oh, look at this guy. It's a cute little gnome. Yeah. Too bad the knights and gnome memes are dead now. This would have been a fantastic addition. Yeah, very nice looking gnome. Love the beard. Love his little staff. Yeah, very nice gnome. We'll put him over here on this 28mm base. Oh yeah, it's the figure here displayed on the card. Very nice. So let's open up this next one. Oh hey, that's a fancy looking wizard. Looks like Gandalf. Long flowing beard, long robes, powerful staff, very nice looking wizard. I like him a lot. Can't wait to paint him. And finally, the last mini here in the box. Let's take a look. Oh, it's another small fella. Pop, 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 pop. Wow, look at this little warrior. He's a gruff little raider. Yeah, very fierce. He's got some scary looking toes there. Definitely not somebody I want to find on the battlefield. Not sure what kind of paint scheme to give this guy. Yeah, give me some suggestions in the comments. I'd appreciate it. Well, that's everything in the August Only Games crate. Let me know what you think. Do you like what you see? Have you ever bought Only Games before? Do you find yourself attracted to the box offerings? What kind of miniatures would you like to see in an Only Games monthly box? Let me know below. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and be sure to have a fantastic afternoon. Thanks, everyone. Bye.